Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Love is the heart of every relationship. Together is my favorite place to be. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Love grows stronger when shared. Friendship love is the key to happiness. True friends prove love doesn't need words. Friendship and love, two hearts beating as one. You're my sunshine on cloudy days. My heart beats only for you. You're my once-in-a-lifetime love. The best part of my day is you. Friendship is the heartbeat of love. Real friends are love in human form. Friendship is love's foundation. A best friend is love's forever promise. Love and friendship are two branches of the same tree. Friendship is love that never fades. A friend's love is louder than 1,000 words. True love begins in true friendship. Love isn't just romance, it's deep friendship too. Friends love you at your worst and celebrate you at your best. Love is not finding someone to live with, but someone you can't live without. Every moment with you is a treasure. Our love story is my favorite chapter. We are two souls, one heart. Your love is my favorite gift. Together, we are unstoppable. You are my heart's greatest joy. The best kind of love is built on friendship. Friendship is love's strongest bond. A friend's love is a whisper that stays in your heart forever. With you, every moment is magical. Our love is the key to happiness. You light up my world. I found my forever in you. Love is the glue that binds us. You're the missing piece to my puzzle. Our love is timeless and true. I'm lucky to call you mine.